Okay, I'm going to make a video of our kittens. We have 6 of them, and Malenki here is the mommy. Malenki, look at me. Yeah, she is a pure 100% Ragdoll, Tika registered, certified, and here are 2 more of the kittens. And they're learning how to use the litter box, and they've made a few mistakes, but for the most part they're trying, and we're not really sure of the sex of these kittens just yet. Here's another little one right there, little kitten. Yeah, she's cute. And here's one more. So that little guy is playing. We cleaned the carpets this weekend, and so we still have stuff to put back. And kittens were good. They helped us clean up. They were good kittens. Oh yeah, see, this little guy just used the litter box. Yes. Miss, yeah. Yes. Very tidy. Very tidy, yes. And little brother comes to play. There's a little baby. That's a baby. They love to play in here. This is our fish aquarium cleaning stuff. These guys just love to play. I mean, they play all day. That's all they do is play. Everything's a toy. Even my feet are a toy. So, these are the kittens. Can't really get too many facial shots here. Let's see if I can get this guy. Little bit. He's got him in a headlock here. Yeah. There. Very cute. And that's, Sneejak would be their uncle, right? Or nephew. I'm not sure what he'd be. There's Nisha. Okay. Here's Mama.
Older brother?
Yeah. That's Mama. That's Malenki. Very, very nice girl. Very sweet. So that's Mama. And Papa is a gray cat who lives in the neighborhood. Malenki had gotten out and didn't want to come home, so she got pregnant. This is the 2nd time, but now she's inside, so we're good. Okay.